everyone, this is Niranshi Jaiswal and you're watching Address of Choice channel. Today we are covering another residential project of Pune, and this time we are covering a project by Venkatesh Developer in Central Pune. The name of this project is Erindwani Central. Before talking about the layout of this project, let me explain you the location. So as I've mentioned, we are here in the heart of Pune. And from here, everything is in close proximity. Karnataka High School is 0.1 km, Abhinav School is 0.5 km, Bal Shishan Mandir 1.8 km, Symbiosis School is 1.8 km. We have malls in the proximity as well, such as Centro Mall, City Pride. Nearby landmarks include Nal Stop, Shivaji Putala, Mahatri Bridge and Deccan Gymkhana. Nearby colleges include SNDT College and MIT College. Here's the construction site of our project. This project will be delivered in 2026. Now let's have a look at the miniature of this project. Come on. So here's the miniature of the project. We have two blocks, A block and B block over here. The land parcel of this project is 4.5 acres and we have a total number of 5 towers. A block has not been launched yet, so we are going to focus on B block. We have 3 towers over here, and if I talk about configuration, then we have 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK configurations. On the ground floor, you can see we have showrooms. So we have 12 showrooms under B block and we have 12 showrooms under A block as well. The height of these showrooms will be double heighted and the first podium is also double heighted. अब अगर मैं इसके एलिवेशन की बात करूँ तो यहाँ हमारे पास 6 लेवल ऑफ कार पार्किंग है और उसके बाद 30 स्टोरी की बिल्डिंग है. ग्राउंड फ्लोर और फर्स्ट फ्लोर डबल हाइटेड है, जिसका मतलब कि पोडियम लेवल जो है वो भी 8th फ्लोर पे होगा. और आप समझ सकते हो कि व्यू फ्रॉम द अपार्टमेंट विल बी ब्यूटिफुल. दोनों ब्लॉक के बीच में वी हैव अ पैच of land that is of 0.75 acres. We have open area amenities over here और यहाँ पे भी no vehicle zone है. Along with that, दोनों ही podium पर we have a lot of amenities that is around 1.75 acres. Here we can understand the amenities better. So on the A wing, we have gym, fitness center, indoor games, home theatre, co-working, study room and library, cabana, badminton court, tricycle track, multi-purpose hall, swimming pool, board games, party lawn and buffet counter. On the podium of wing B, we have jogging track, deck area, swimming pool, baby pool, feature wall, multi-purpose court, badminton court, children's play area, climbing wall, gazebos, table tennis, gym, crochet, pool table and many more amenities. This project is a IGBC certified project. That means it is focusing on sustainable development. और यहाँ पर rooftop पर solar panels भी होंगे that will generate electricity for all the common areas. We have a sample of how the lobby of your tower will look like. Let's have a look inside. Isn't this gorgeous? So we have double heighted lobby and we have some sitting areas. There will be the reception and further ahead over here we will have the lift lobby area. Let's have a look at that as well. So there are 3 lifts there for the residents. And इसके अलावा we have 1 fire lift and 2 staircases as well. So this is how it would look like. Let's have a look at the 3 BHK sample apartment over here. The size of this apartment is 1372 square feet. Come on in. So here's how the entrance of your apartment would look like. This is the smallest size, yet this is very beautiful. And the vitrified tiles for the rest of the flat. First of all, on the main gate, हमारे पास security one touch smart lock है. And after that, this is how the entrance is. This lobby area is 7x4 and right in front of it, we have the guest bedroom. The size of this bedroom is 12 by 12. This is how they have managed the complete room. I really love the aesthetic of this room. And right over here, we have huge windows that would look like this. Now let's have a look at the rest of the flat. So after the guest bedroom, this is how your living and dining space looks like. First of all, in the living area, they have managed 6-seater sofa, but you can add more sittings to it because we have a lot of space and a very cute coffee table in the center. इन्होंने यहाँ पर प्लांट वगैरह भी ऐड कर रखा है, दो दिस इज फेक, यू कैन ऐड रियल प्लांट्स टू योर होम. And right over here we have the balcony. The project is designed as per earthquake resistance norm. The size of this balcony is 11 by 6. It's pretty huge. You can add a sitting and a coffee table over here, or maybe add some plants. The size of this living area is 11 by 17. And now over here we have the dining space. They have managed 6-seater, but I think you can easily add 2 more chairs to it. And yeah, this is how it looks like. The dining and the living area is completely divided. The size of the dining space is 9 by 11. Now let's have a look at the kitchen. The size of this kitchen is 8 by 9. We have 2 working islands over here, and there is a lot of space where you can manage all the things. और उसके बाद on this side we have the utility space, which is also known as dry balcony. और इसका size है 8 by 4. We again have huge windows over here to maintain ventilation. Finally, let's have a look at the rest of the 2 bedrooms. First of all, over here we have dedicated space for the wash basin, and on this side we have a common washroom. The size of the common washroom is 5 by 5. We have water heater in all the washrooms and exhaust fan in all the bathrooms. And then this is how your kid's bedroom looks like. The size of this bedroom is 11 by 12. You can easily add a study table over here. काफी ज़्यादा space है. You can add more plants to it. And then this is how the balcony looks like. Since it's a kid balcony, आप यहाँ पे swing add कर सकते हो और उनका personal space बना सकते हो. Also, I would like to mention one thing, that the balcony has glasses all around और ये 3 side open रहेंगे. Now let's finally have a look at the master bedroom. Come on. I really like the luxurious look it has. It has foyer space at the starting ताकि आपकी privacy बने रहे. And then further ahead, when you enter the room, on the right hand side you will get the washroom. The size of this washroom is 5 by 8. Anti-skid tiles for flooring. The glass partition in the master bathroom will be provided. And then this is how the bedroom looks like. We have wooden flooring in the master bedroom. The size of this bedroom is 12 by 14. And over here we again have balcony. The size of this balcony is 11 by 3. And in all the balconies, they have provided you with mosquito net. तो आप आराम से mosquito net लगा करके ventilation का फायदा उठा सकते हो. And plus, I really like this कि they have a total number of 3 balconies in the smallest 3 BHK size. We also have a 4 BHK sample apartment over here. Let's have a look at that. There's also a bigger 3 BHK size, जो कि raw flat है, so you will understand what exactly you will get when you buy this flat. That was all about the project. I hope I was able to explain it to you guys, and I hope that you found this video informative. If you did find the video informative, then hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. If you are interested in this project, then please do contact us on the given number on the screen, or you can connect us through WhatsApp. The link is given in the description box below. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye-bye. Bye.